Hi, hello, this is Giri, teaching 10th Mathematics, the chapter Statistics. Here is the annual academic calendar 2020 and 21, and this is the 4th week, first video. In this video, we will learn the solutions of question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise 14.2. Dear children, here is the question number 1. Find the mean and mode of the data and compare the values. I shall repeat. Find the mean and mode of the data and compare the values. Age and number of patients. 5 to 15 years age group, number of patients is 6. And in between 15 to 25 age group, the number of patients is 11. In between 25 to 35 age group, the number of patients is 21. And in between 35 to 45 age group, number of patients is 23. And in between 45 to 55 age group, number of patients is 14. And in between 55 to 65 age group, number of patients is equal to 5. For this data, I have to find arithmetic mean and also I have to find mode of the given data. Here this is the group data. We know that there are three measures of central tendencies. The first is arithmetic mean, second is mode, and the third is median. We already learned how to find arithmetic mean previously in the previous exercise 14.1, isn't it? As there are three methods to find the arithmetic mean. First is direct method, the second is deviation method, and the third is step deviation method. Here for this group of data you have to find arithmetic mean and as well as mode also. If you observe these classes and the number of patients, the classes and number of patients are small numbers, not in hundreds. Therefore, you can use direct method to find the arithmetic mean in this case. Okay. Now here, in order to find the arithmetic mean, what are the columns? Let us consider these age groups as classes and the number of patients as frequencies. Understood? Therefore, let us construct a table by taking age groups as classes. Therefore, the classes are 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, and 55 to 65. These are the classes. Understood? Now, let us write the frequencies. 6, 11, 21, 23, 14, and 5. These are the frequencies. After writing the frequencies, you sum up all the frequencies now. 6 plus 11 is 17, 17 plus 21 is 38, 38 plus 23 is 61, 61 plus 14 is 75, 75 plus 5 is 80. Therefore, sum of the frequencies sigma Fi is equal to 80. After writing the frequencies, let us write the mid value xi in order to find arithmetic mean. Understood? In order to find the arithmetic mean, you should write the class mark or mid value. Now, how to get the class mark of a class? It is nothing but the average of 5 and 15 lower and upper boundaries. 5 plus 15 is 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 15 plus 25 is 40. 40 divided by 2 is 20. 25 plus 35 is 60. 60 divided by 2 is 30. 35 plus 45 is 80. 80 divided by 2 is 40. 45 plus 55 is 100. 100 divided by 2 is 50. 55 plus 65 is 120. 120 divided by 2 is 60. We got the mid values. Okay. The frequency stands for Fi and the mid value stands for Xi. Then you have to find the arithmetic mean. You have to multiply frequency with mid value. As you are doing in direct method, you have to find Fi Xi. Fi means frequency into Xi. You will get the products of Fi and X's. You see here 6 into 10, 6 tens is 60, 11 into 20, 220, 21 into 30 is 630, 23 into 40, 920, 14 into 50, 700, 5 into 60 is 300. Now let us add Fix's. Units place is 0 and tens place 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 2 is 13, 3 and 1. 100 place. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 7 25 plus 3 28. Therefore sigma Fi xi is 2830 and sigma Fi is equal to 80. As you know sigma Fi xi and sigma Fi, you can find arithmetic mean straight away. What is the formula to find arithmetic mean using direct method? The mean is equal to sigma Fi xi divided by sigma Fi. What is the value of sigma Fi xi? 2830 divided by sigma Fi is 80. Okay. Now you can cancel 0 and 0, so that it is 283 divided by 8. Now if you divide 283 with 8, you will get 35.37. This is the arithmetic mean of the given data. Understood? Now the arithmetic mean is 35.37. Okay, we found the arithmetic mean. Next, what to find? Next is mode. Okay, now let us learn how to find mode for the given data. So far we found the arithmetic mean. In order to find the arithmetic mean in direct method, what columns are required? Already classes and frequencies are given in the question itself. Then we constructed mid value or class mark column, and next column is for Fi xi. Whereas in order to find the mode of any data, mode of any group data, no need to construct any other columns. The given two columns are enough. That is, you may be given classes and you may be given frequencies. The classes and frequencies, these two columns are enough in order to find the mode. You need not construct any more columns. Understood? Is it clear now? Okay. Now after writing the classes and frequencies, understood? After writing the classes and frequencies, you pick up the highest frequency. Among all the given frequencies, what is the highest frequency? 23 is the highest frequency. You can consider this highest frequency as F1. Understood? You can consider the highest frequency as F1, and the frequency above F1 is F0, and the frequency below F1 is F2. Okay. The frequency, the highest frequency among all the given frequencies is F1, and the frequency above F1 is F0, and the frequency below F1 is F2. Next, the class in which the highest frequency lies, the class in which the highest frequency 23 lies is 35 plus 45. This 35 to 45 class is called model class. Understood? I shall repeat. The class in which the highest frequency lies is called model class. Here the highest frequency is 23. This highest frequency lies in 35 to 45 class. Therefore, this is called model class. After writing the model class or after getting the model class, this L stands for the lower boundary of the model class. What is the lower boundary? 35. Therefore, L is 35. That is the lower boundary of the model class. Now, let us write the formula to find mode. In order to find mode, there is only one method. But whereas in finding arithmetic mean there are three methods, but in finding mode there is only one method. You see, the formula to find mode is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula to find mode. L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Here L value, L is equal to 35, F0 is equal to 21, F1 is equal to 23, F2 is equal to 14, and H. H means the height of the classes. What are the difference between any two successive lower boundaries? 10. And what is the difference between any two successive lower upper boundaries? Again 10. Therefore, H is equal to 10. Now, mode is equal to, let us substitute these values. L means 35 plus F1 minus F0, 23 minus 21, divided by 2f1, that is 2 into 23 minus f0 means 21 minus f2 minus 14 into h is 10. Now let us simplify this value. This is 35 plus 23 minus 21 is 2 divided by 2 into 23 is 46 minus 21 minus 14 is minus 35 into 10. This is 35 plus 2 into 10 20 divided by 46 minus 35 is 11. 35 plus, if we divide 20 with 11, this is 1.8. Therefore 35 plus 1.8 is 36.8. This is the mode of the given data. Therefore the mode of the given data is 36.8 and the mean of the given data is 35.37. Now how can you compare and interpret these values? If you observe, you see, while finding the arithmetic mean, we took all frequencies and mid values, all the frequencies of all the classes and the mid values of all the classes, and we multiplied them and we added. Means on the calculation of arithmetic mean, we took all frequencies into consideration. Understood? We took all the mid values of the classes into consideration. In this calculation, we took all the mid values and all the frequencies in consideration to find the arithmetic mean. Whereas, while finding mode, we took only these three frequencies. The values of these classes, these frequencies are not considered. Only the middle three frequencies are considered in finding the mode, isn't it? That is the difference between arithmetic mean and mode. So since mode depend on almost all the mid values and frequencies of all the classes, mean is more reliable than this mode. Okay, so let us write mean is equal to 35.37 and mode is equal to 36.8. Mean depend on all the classes, whereas the mode value depends on only some of the classes. Very good, children. Now let us solve question number 2. Here is question number 2. Find the model lifetimes of the components given in the data. I shall revise. Find the model lifetimes of the components given in the data. Lifetime and frequency. Lifetime in years 0 to 20, the frequency is 10, and in between 20 to 40, the frequency is 35, and in the class 40 to 60, the frequency is 52, 60 to 80 class, the frequency is 61, and in between 80 to 100 class, the frequency is 38, and from 100 to 120 class, the frequency is 29. For this group of data, you have to find the mode. You see, find the model lifetime of the components of the given data. In order to find the mode, I already told you that only the classes and frequencies, only the two given columns are sufficient. Now let us consider the lifetime as classes and the frequencies as frequencies, and let us construct the table now. The classes 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, and 100 to 120. These are the classes. And corresponding to these classes, the frequencies are 10, 35, 52, 61, 38, and 29. These are the frequencies. You see, in order to find the mode, you need not construct any more column. The given two columns, classes and frequencies, are enough. Okay. Now after writing the column, you verify the highest frequency. Among all the given frequencies, what is the highest frequency? 61 is the highest frequency. Okay. This value is called, the highest frequency is called F1. The frequency above the highest frequency is F0, and the frequency below the highest frequency is F2. Is it clear? The highest frequency among all the given frequencies is F1. The frequency above F1 is F0. The frequency below F1 is F2. Now the class in which the highest frequency lies is called model class. In this model class, L stands for the lower boundary of the model class. What is the lower boundary of the model class? 60. 60 is the lower boundary. Therefore, L is equal to 60, F1 is equal to 61, F0 is equal to 52, and F2 is equal to 38. And what about the height of the class? The difference between any two successive lower boundaries or the difference between any two successive upper boundaries is called the height of the class, which is equal to 20. Now let us write the formula to find mode. Formula to find mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Here L value is equal to 60, F0 is equal to 52, F1 is equal to 61, F2 is equal to 38, and H height of the class is equal to 20. Now let us substitute these values. Mode is equal to L means 60 plus F1 minus F0, 61 minus 52, divided by 2F1, that is 2 into 61, minus F0 minus 52, minus F2 minus 38, into H is 20. This is 60 plus, what is 61 minus 52? 9, divided by 2 into 61 is 122, minus 52 minus 38 is minus 90, into 20. This is 60 plus 9 into 20 is 180 divided by 32. If you divide 180 with 32, of course you can cancel 4 among the 2, isn't it? 4 in 180, you see in 18 4 times, 16 and 25 times, therefore it is 45 divided by 4 in 38, 8 times. Now if you divide 45 with 8, you will get 5.625. Now if we add 5.625 to 60, you will get 65.625. This is the mode of the given data. Understood, dear children? You see, finding mode is very easy. You need not construct any more columns. You need not add frequencies also. You pick up the highest frequency, name it as F1. Pick up the frequency above F1, name it as F0. And pick up the frequency below F1, name it as F2. You see, 0, 1, 2, they are in order F0, F1, F2. Understood? And the lower boundary 1, 2, 3. And the lower boundary corresponding to F1 is 6L. After getting all these values, simply substitute these values in the formula where mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Use this formula and calculate the mode value very easy. Understood? The process is so simple, isn't it? Very good, dear children. Now the introduction to statistics and all the questions and solutions from exercise 14.1 and 14.2 are given in the description. You can click them and you can use them whenever necessary. Thank you one and all.